So yes, nice. Thank you for these questions. As you want to convert your website in an e-commerce, like it's you want to do the electronic commerce or accept payment from your website. This is the
Uh,
one thing
uh,
requirement, and
y-
especially if how come when you are saying cart, you mean to say that kind of store, an online store where people can select product and add to the cart and then do the payment.
yeah, yes, right.
Yes, yes. So this is a very long due demand from all of you. I think Meenakshi ma'am was also asking for this,
Good.
and today we are supposed to say this. So today I'm going to give you the intro about this. See, e-commerce is so huge thing. So digital marketing अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा है, and within that digital marketing, each and every single thing like e-commerce or online store or like Facebook or website creation, if you want, like each of these have their own set of rules and own learning curve required for it. So today I will give you the introduction to the how to set up your online store in your existing website. So you have
Okay.
already existing website, means जो आपका WordPress का website है उसमें आप how you can set up your online store. So I'm
Right.
giving so as you it has taken some time to understand the each component of your website, like whatever you are able to understand: domain, hosting, page, post, category, link, theme, plugin. So in the same way, setting up online store will also take some time. So
Okay.
today I will give you some entire framework and introduction, and I will show you how to do that. But it may take some time to. The more you practice, the better you will become managing that.
Thank you.
Right. So one question shorted. Like today, we are going to start in few minutes about that.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. And another question was that in the social media, you want to share your payment link rather than the website link, or
No,
both the link.
both. I want both. Right.
Right,
Because
right.
payment link is already he has shared. But he says if I give my website, then I will disturb that system. I said okay. I will ask if can we do both. Thank you.
See, that's why if you remember, if you attended my initial sessions, then I always say that funnel is more important than traffic. Funnel
Okay.
is more important than traffic. So just keep that word if you want to note it down for
Yes.
long run. I'm not talking about the immediate success. I'm talking in terms of digital business in long term.
Uh,
So if we are thinking it as a business
uh,
and we are working on this strategy to have a predictable income from that business month on month, so then we have to set up a funnel. What is the funnel? You have to decide the customer journey step by step.
okay.
So, like for example, just take it any business. The entry point is one and only one. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, I agree.
Okay. So Facebook, you have for Facebook will not ask you do anything till you will not create your Facebook profile first.
Yes, right.
In the same way, Google is always starts with the Google search,
Yes.
and later you will get to know that okay, you can create Facebook page as well, Facebook group as well, Facebook event as well, or Facebook live as well, or Facebook workplace as well. So once you enter into their system, then they will introduce you the other aspect of things.
All right.
Right. So, but just now start observing any single business, whether it's a ICICI bank. So always they categorize. Okay, start with a saving account.
Mm.
SBI. Everyone have a one entry point.
Mm.
So what I in long term, if you are treating it as a digital business and you are looking forward for the predictable income, then set up the customer journey. That you can say that set up a funnel first,
Okay.
and then ask your customer to follow that journey.
Okay.
So entry point in your website, and that's why I always ask you, okay, you must have a lead magnet. You must have a lead magnet. So
Okay.
even in lead magnet, I would say with lead magnet, we can experiment. We can have a multiple lead magnet. We can have you can have multiple lead magnet for that sake. But
Mm.
whenever paying like get receiving payment from the customer, it should be one entry point.
Mm. Okay.
So if you are looking for that one entry point, and then that entry point, it might be, I'm not sure the payment, whatever payment link you are sharing,
Mm.
what is the product for which you are asking for the payment? Is this the entry level product?
Yes, for the bakery products, you see, whatever one wants to buy, he plays that, gathers that order, and then the net payment he makes from that portal itself, from the Facebook page itself. That's what he's
Right.
doing it.
So when someone is clicking on that payment link,
Yes.
are they going directly to do the payment, or they are seeing that, okay, this is the details, this is the itinerary, this is the product I will receive, and in return of that I'm doing the payment?
Yes, when someone clicks on that payment link, there is a list of items, and they can select the quantity, and total value comes, and then he has to pay this.
Okay, so then don't disturb that, because
Okay.
you can share that payment link with me. I will revise it for you.
Yes, right.
So if customer is able to enter into your system, like if you are deciding the funnel, this is the you can say that this is the entry level entry to your system.
Yes. Right.
So now once one entered into your system, then you can expose them. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Then you can share your website with them, because once they are buying, you can share your website, you can share your Facebook private group, or you can create a dedicated Telegram group to support those people, and when and introduce them to the upcoming next product, or how you can provide more value to those community. So because I say that community is also one of the community building is the like you can say that future may, if you want that your own island among this all, because the more digital media awareness will happen, the more advertisement will happen on this platform, Facebook पे और ये सारे platform पे, you are on their guidelines, like you have to follow their guidelines.
Yes, that I agree. Once you have got your website, you are the owner of that space.
Right. Once they will change the policy somehow, let's suppose today they said that only paid member will able to create the Facebook page. Let's just imagine. So now you have to decide whether you should be paying it to the Facebook or not. You don't have any other choice, because you have created entire community in the Facebook itself. Best example you can imagine, TikTok have so many influencers, लाखों के लोग influencer थे, और TikTok खत्म हुआ और सारे influencers का existence खत्म हो गया.
Right,
and they have to again create that things again on the either on the Instagram or on the some other platform.
Right.
So you don't know about this platform. Yes, till the platform is there, we have to take maximum advantage from this platform, but somehow we should have our own platform where people, once they are interacting with once they are like they are spending so much time on the Facebook, it's perfectly fine that you are interacting with them on the Facebook. But just in case if they are exclusively thinking of you, they should not be searching for you on the Facebook.
Yes, right.
Right. So there should be there should have a footfall place there, either on the WhatsApp group, or on the Telegram group, or on your website, or on the mail. Somewhere you will give the reassurance to them. Okay, this is the place where you can reach us, and we are available for you. So in that case, website is the most reliable, and in future website is the whenever even I'm searching for your name, if something is coming in my mind and I want to share it with my friend and family.
Yes.
So what I will say, go and find the what is your website? The bakery.
The pastryman.com.
The pastryman.com. So it's simple to tell him that, okay, are you looking to start a business in that? So okay, the pastryman.com is the place you can go for.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, when you are saying okay, find pastryman on Facebook, people will go to the Facebook rather than finding the pastryman. They will start doing something else.
Tomorrow government might ban the Facebook, and then what will happen? You lose everything overnight.
Right. So this is the time to spend. This is the very, very, very high time. Start building your own community on your website or on somewhere.
Right.
So anyways, बहुत बार बीच में आया भी था कि WhatsApp बंद होने वाला है और security breach हो रहे हैं and all that.
If you open my website, thepastryman.com, there is a page called buying. There you will find that buy link. If you can just explore, that is the purpose. It's meeting his purpose. I don't want to disrupt that.
Yes, because see, whenever that is the easiest one to start, and that's perfectly fine to start with, because then first money will come, and then you can invest it in the domain or hosting or everywhere.
Exactly right.
So it's perfectly fine to start with. Once you know that system, now it's you can revamp, you can increase. you can make it better system for your end user.
Yes,
Where,
right.
where is the payment link?
There's one page called buying.
Buying, yes.
Go to buying. On the top, you will find one buy. And on the bottom also, I have given buy. So both and one can, here one can see the product and rates I have not given yet, but it's being developed. But when you click on buy, it will take you the right route. Just you experiment with that. Then it
Okay,
will
so
take.
hello protocol.in Delhi NCR. Okay, let's suppose I'm
Yes,
looking
you
for
clicked on
Delhi
Delhi
NCR,
NCR. When you click
and
Delhi,
then
it will take you to the delivery, and then it will get you your location, and as per location, it will give you, you select your quantity, and rate is already there,
so
and you.
I got that. So till your online store is not set up on your website, means you follow the same thing.
Good, thank you.
Right.
Thank
So
you.
like right now here people are selecting add to cart, add to cart. So if you have this online store set up on your website, and then rather than sending them this link, you can start sending them your own
Yes,
website.
that's what. Thank you.
Okay. Or any other question?
From my side, these two. One is the result. Second, you will work on that.
Nice.
That
Nice.
is for
So
everybody, and it will be good tutorial. We will keep this video to revisit.
Nice, nice, nice. So can we start the e-commerce?
अशोक गुप्ता जी सुन रहे हैं? उन्होंने
बिल्कुल सुन रहे हैं साहब.
गुड 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 बढ़िया. राइट, एवरीबॉडी इज एक्टिव.
Yes, yes.
Nice, nice. Okay. Okay, just give me one.
Here your screen is not shared.
Okay, my screen is. Oh, I have. In fact, I was thinking. Okay, I have already shown you that link. I'm just sharing. Okay, so here my screen. And are you able to see my screen?
Yes, full of colors. And now we're back to our mind map.
Nice, nice, nice. So before starting, just because it's a mastermind session, weekly mastermind, so I wanted to give you some extra information apart from the website. So as a digital, if you want to set, like, if you want again that established digital business, so just keep these 5 things in mind. This is this if you can master these 5 things, so now there is no looking back. And it may take some time. I agree that it may take some time, but now you have the clarity of your product. Now you have your own website, and you can keep improving, keep working on the website. So the next thing you have to focus on traffic. All of you know the traffic. What is traffic?
Yes, right.
Traffic means you are attracting the people. So for the traffic, you can do SEO of your website, so that your website should come in the Google, or you can social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these places, or there are from wherever you are attracting your target audience. कहीं से भी अपने यूजर को अपनी वेबसाइट पे लेके आ रहे हैं, तो दैट इज योर ट्रैफिक. एंड ट्रैफिक के अंदर पूरा का पूरा साइंस है. बहुत बहुत मतलब आपके वेबसाइट का कोई मतलब नहीं है अगर उस पर ट्रैफिक नहीं आता. Yes or no?
Exactly right.
Right.
जब तक ताली ना बजे तब तक बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं. ठीक,
कोई मतलब नहीं है. So we have created this for the audience. So you have to master the traffic. हम traffic के अंदर भी internal traffic. There are two different kind of 12 different kind of traffic. I might have discussed in the like 30 days वाले में एक दिन हमने 12 different traffic source में discuss किया था. उसको आप अगर revise करेंगे तो थोड़ा idea हो जाएगा what I'm talking about. So but keep in mind कि your focus should be mastering these 5 things. Traffic, list building means whoever is coming in your system, you must have their email ID, and you are nurturing them by how you are nurturing them. You can follow the system of value pitch, value pitch, value pitch. Means whenever someone is coming in your system, you can make an email, like you are using any email marketing system or any somehow you are nurturing those people. So 3 times value additions means if you are talking about someone is buying this pastry manufacturing things, they are buying from you, right?
Okay, yes.
Yes. So now if you will see on there कि अगर इस business को आप देखें कि जिनका business grow करेगा या फिर जो नया pastry का नया business start करना चाहते हैं, वो आपके target audience है.
Yes, right.
Right. So if you can help them to establish a pastry business somehow,
Right.
अगर broader perspective में देखें, तो
Okay.
आप उनको ये like as I say, education is the best marketing. And you
Okay.
start educating ki how to get started with pastry business.
So instead of selling pastry, we can sell the startup.
Right.
You have
right.
your own startup.
Yes,
Yes.
you have your own, make money using pastry shop or pastry business. So how to get started? What are the like government का कोई support available है क्या? कितना initial budget कितना चाहिए? Profit margin क्या हो सकता है? कैसे online presence का कुछ फायदा होगा क्या? Offline में क्या फायदा कर सकते हैं? कितने team का support चाहिए? Means I'm sure कि if you are providing this product, so you have this fair idea about how to establish a pastry business.
You're right. So what you were saying that we should draw a business model and we should sell that business model along with our product, because that business model will take our product, so that we should sell the business model. Good, right. Thank
so
you.
your entry level product should be like 99 rupees webinar to how to start your pastry.
Right.
And second entry level, it can be 5,000 rupees course to start your pastry business. And obviously, when they are starting up a business, so you have all the online store on your website where you can, okay, are you ready? So this is the step 1, step 2, step 3. So 6th step, you can define any problem can be solved in 6th step. I'm not sure whether I have shared it with you or not. There is a 6th step formula. Any problem can be solved in the 6th step. अब उस 6th step को आप 1 घंटे में उनको बता दें, 1 दिन में बता दें, 3 दिन में बता दें, 30 दिन में बता दें, 1 साल में बता दें. That how deep you are explaining to them, but start attracting people whoever is interested in your thing, right? So there you are building the list. Start building list people who has intention to start pastry business.
Okay.
And then go and find 100 FAQs, 100 frequently asked questions related to this business, Quora पे, Answer the Public पे, या like HubSpot के title generation में जा करके आप 100 questions निकाल लेंगे इस topic से related कि इस business को start करने के लिए क्या कितना profitable है online, and start sending them mail. जो list building आप करेंगे, so you can start sending them mail, value pitch means first 3 times value, and then you can invite them to your entry level. Your entry should be 1. Entry should be 1, and there once they are entering it, then you can you can have a 2 different set or you can have a 2 different group. One is who want to just get started, and one who want to scale. You might have 2 different category. एक तो वो लोग आपके पास आएंगे जो सोच रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए आपके पास different set of information होगा, और जो ऑलरेडी है इस बिजनेस में और वो स्केल करना चाहते हैं, वो और भी ज्यादा चीजें लेना चाहते हैं आपसे, या उनको और क्या वैल्यू एडिशन आप दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये मशीनरी है तो सर्विस की रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है, रिपेयर की रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है, AMC आप देते होंगे. सो then you can start valuing. Now you have 2 things very clear. Your product, like and you are very specific niche. So many people are struggling with this only. Right. They are not able to specify the specific niche कि किसको serve करना है. So you have very clear niche कि whoever want to start business, a profitable business with
pastry products.
So pastry business, make money using pastry business, or start making money pastry business in 90 days, or you can start something like that. So there you will use the list building. Conversion, because जो भी आप जितना भी ट्रैफिक आ रहा है उनको कन्वर्ट करना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. तो कन्वर्जन इज इंटायर टेस्टिंग, एंडलेस टेस्टिंग. कन्वर्जन कभी भी 100% हो नहीं सकता है. देयर कैन नॉट बी 100% कन्वर्जन. सो इट्स एंडलेस टेस्टिंग. So how you are testing it, whatever traffic you are attracting, उस ट्रैफिक में से मैक्सिमम कन्वर्जन कितना हो सकता है, राइट? सो कन्वर्जन, कॉपीराइटिंग, बिकॉज वर्ड्स इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. वर्ड्स एक्चुअली, वर्ड ही आपका है जो सेल कर रहा है. Yes or no? Everyone is, if we want to make money, our word is making money for us.
Content is very important.
Right. So the entire copywriting system, you should have gradually by practice, we have to master the copywriting thing. And its copywriting is different for different platform. When you are writing website पे आप लिख रहे हैं तो web copywriting का approach different होगा, email पे approach different होगा, social media पे approach different होगा. Might be Facebook, जो WhatsApp group और Telegram group अगर होंगे तो वहाँ पे different होगा. So you have to master the copywriting. And as a thumb rule here, I want to show, because you are going to now your basic infrastructure in place. सारे लोग का domain, hosting, pages, post, category, link, ये basic infrastructure setup है. So now next phase you have to build on, focus on creating the content. And as a thumb rule of the content, what I would suggest, start writing the content in as if you are talking to one person.
Okay.
Right. As if कि जैसे मैं और आप अभी बातें कर रहे हैं.
Right.
Right. Imagine one person. Imagine one that ideal customer, or one, if you have already established business, you must have one person, one customer, which you may feel that कि इस तरह का अगर 10 कस्टमर आ जाए ना तो फिर या 1000 कस्टमर इस तरह के आ जाए तो लाइफ सेट है.
Right.
So imagine that one single person and do the one-to-one conversation with them.
Okay.
And write the content in that flow. You should not be talking to everyone. You should be talking to one and only one person.
Right.
Right. So the copywriting thing you can follow. There are so many other aspects of the copywriting, but you have to master. And try building. As I say that कि आने वाला time इतने सारे continent के बीच में आपको अपना island build करना है. Otherwise, so these giants will, जितने बड़े giants we have to be enslaved with them. हमारे पास फिर उनके जो भी आप जो 30% 40% जो भी मार्जिन होता है, और उनकी एड की कॉस्ट इतनी, जितने ज्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट अवेयरनेस होगा, इतनी ज्यादा पब्लिक एडवर्टीजमेंट करेगी, जितनी ज्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट होगा उतनी एड कॉस्ट बढ़ती चली जाएगी. राइट नाउ पीपल आर सेइंग डिजिटल, और क्योंकि एड कॉस्ट बहुत कम है टीवी पे और न्यूज़पेपर में, ये सब में एड कॉस्ट कंपैरेटिवली बहुत ज्यादा है, और यहाँ पे एड कॉस्ट कम है.
वो कम तभी तक है जब तक वो है, जिस टाइम वो बंद हो जाएंगे ये वापस महंगा हो जाएगा.
राइट. तो जैसे ही यहाँ जैसे उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी जैसे शुरुआत में टीवी और न्यूज चैनल भी स्टार्ट हुए होंगे, या शुरुआत में न्यूज़पेपर भी स्टार्ट हुआ होगा, तो शायद एडवर्टाइजमेंट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलता होगा.
यस, राइट.
लेकिन आज की डेट में उसकी इतनी वैल्यू है. तो इन द सेम वे जैसे जैसे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे नंबर ऑफ एडवर्टाइजर्स बढ़ते जाएंगे, एड की कॉस्ट बढ़ती जाएगी.
I recall there used to be people in my office who used to request, कि सर एक ऐड तो दे दो, and then there came a time we used to request him, यार इसको सस्ते में लगा दो, और अब दोबारा टाइम आ गया, again they are approaching, सर बिजनेस नहीं है कोई ऐड दे दो. तो ये अब now full 360 degree circle हो चुका है उनका.
Right.
I have seen it myself.
Yes, you have so huge experience. Just give me 1 second.
Your audio is lost.
Yes. Now I'm back.
Okay.
Right. So now you understand these 5 elements.
Right. Okay.
Of your system. So आज के लिए हम लोग यही एलिमेंट डिस्कस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट फिर हम लोग और भी डिस्कस करेंगे. Right. So many things I have planned for right now. आज के लिए इतना ही है.
Right.
अब भी हम लोग right now we are going to focus on e-commerce or online store setup. So let's suppose we have a website. Again, WordPress की like खूबी सबसे अच्छी यही है कि whatever you required, you can have a you can just have a plugin for that. Right? So we can go to the WP admin. And I remember the password. So what are any idea what is the e-commerce plugin you should be using? I have shared many times, but I haven't shown you कि कैसे use करते हैं, but ये मैंने नाम बताया है.
Able to read e-commerce plugin.
E-commerce plugin. There are so many e-commerce plugin. In fact, you can use WooCommerce. WooCommerce.
Acha, okay. U-commerce. Y-O-U.
No, Woo.
Achha,
W-O-O.
okay, WooCommerce.
One is using the WooCommerce. Another is if you are starting the e-commerce business, you can also have the option of Shopify.
Spotify.
Shopify. So I'm not going into the Shopify,
Right.
but
Okay.
exclusively if you are entering into the online store, like let's suppose in future if you are giving your
Amazon type.
Amazon kind of, or not only Amazon kind of, आपका खुद का online store. I'm saying कि कल को फ्यूचर में जब आप अपने कम्युनिटी को बताएंगे कि पेस्ट्री शॉप खोलने के साथ आप अपना ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस भी, अपना ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट भी बना सकते हैं, तो उनको वर्डप्रेस उनके लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा वो हैक्टिक हो सकता है. उनका तो मतलब उनके पास तो केवल प्रोडक्ट पेस्ट्री की वैरायटीज होंगी और पीपल हैव टू कम एंड बाय द पेस्ट्री वैरायटीज और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इन दैट केस you can guide them to use the Shopify. You can go and explore.
How do you spell this?
Shopify, shop, S-H-O-P, shop.
Achha, Shopify. Okay.
Right, S-H-O-P, Shopify. So this is the recurring cost वहाँ पे होता है, like monthly recurring cost होते हैं. But entire e-commerce is e-commerce में जितने भी features हो सकते हैं, all these are like जैसे WordPress में आप थीम सेलेक्ट है, वहाँ पे भी थीम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो Shopify exclusively e-commerce, exclusively मतलब जो फ्रंट एंड है आपका एंट्री लेवल जो है वो ई-कॉमर्स है. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि हमारा एंट्री लेवल कुछ बिजनेस है, हमारा ब्लॉग हो सकता है, हमारा रियल एस्टेट का काम है, हमारा एजुकेशन का काम है, कोर्सेज का काम है, एंड देयर आई वांट टू सेट अप अ स्टोर फॉर देम.
Right. Okay.
Or you can also, what we can do, we can have a separate folder, like and in that separate folder we can have a Shopify.
Right. Okay.
Means जो पूरा store part है उसको हम लोग Shopify पे रख लें. That we can also.
Okay. So there are two plugins, WooCommerce and Shopify.
Shopify we are not going to use in the WordPress.
Yes,
Shopify
right.
is the independent platform.
Right.
WooCommerce we are going to use in the WordPress.
Shopify we have to pay monthly or year?
It's a monthly, or we are going for the yearly, then it's like comparatively lesser cost. I think $29 you can start with pricing, you can see there. So yeah, 29. Yes.
All they have prices in dollars only. It's all money.
These are the US company. All these are the US. So just that's why I'm saying why it's so important to create your own community, because see, Google कहाँ की company है? Just I'm giving you one thing. Google US में Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube सारे US के हैं, right? इन सारे platform पे who are the advertisers? In India especially, if you are talking about India, who are the advertisers?
They are other than Americans. American less, foreigners more.
Right. Majority of the advertisers are Indian.
Yeah, right.
99% of advertisers are Indian.
Right.
And who are the consumer? Who are clicking on those advertisement and buying the product and something? Who are the consumer of those advertisers?
Majority of them Indians.
Again, 99% Indian. Right. And who is making money from those advertisements?
America, USA.
Yes, US is making money. So they are coming. They have came to India. They have like whether it's Amazon or every single platform, just take it. So they have given us a platform, and on that platform, advertisers are Indian, and this is the difference between India and China. India, China have their own, they have platform for everything.
Yes, right.
So there the advertiser is Chinese, consumer is Chinese, and money is in China itself.
But they give another theory to this. It's okay that America is making money, but the person who is working for America are Indians.
So yes, we can make so many stories around it. No, I mean to say that right now, whatever is, we are in whatever position, we have to accept it. Present
Yes.
situation ko we cannot change. We are
Yes.
not. We have to accept gladly. We have to accept it. We should be thankful and lucky that we have the platform like Facebook and Google and YouTube and everything. So now it's so easy to expose our product and services on this platform. But in future, 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, even 100 years down the lines, I'm thinking of, if you are creating a legacy for your future generation, so we should not be dependent on these platforms. Simultaneously, at least we should try to create our own platform.
Yes, right.
It may take 10 years time. It may take, let's suppose it may take 100-year times. Is your grandchildren is going to thank you for that?
I agree.
Right. So you might have started your pastry business. Your son is, I'm not sure who has started, you or your son?
No, my son.
Okay,
I
nice.
am helping him after retirement.
Okay, nice. That's fantastic. So might be his next generation will thank him that his parent has taken the initiative to start a business, and now they have the platform where they can get started with the new things.
Yes, right.
Right. So if we are starting the digital medium, we should be thinking it in terms of that next generation is going to use it.
Yeah.
Like for example, मेरे बाबा ने पौधे लगाए, उसका आम मैं आज खा रही हूँ.
Exactly.
Right? तो आज आप पौधे लगाएंगे तो उसका हो सकता है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आपका वो लेगा, but yes, we have to think in that term.
All right.
Okay.
So, ma'am, we have to link our website name to the Shopify, ma'am, if you buy the plan.
So we have to decide either should I show you Shopify or should I show you
No. WooCommerce only.
Go to WooCommerce because that is compatible with WordPerfect.
Right. So in Shopify, if in some keep reminding me or keep asking this for me, if you required, I will dedicate 1 hour session on the Shopify to give you a little bit of introduction. Right. So yes, that you have to select the domain name for the Shopify. It's not the link. You have, as we have entire thing on the Shopify, they are asking you money because they are going to host all the content on Shopify server. Right, so you have to link.
WooCommerce, ma'am. WooCommerce is our platform.
So WooCommerce, where this is the difference. You can understand this difference is कि ये आपका ready to move studio apartment है, जहाँ आप कपड़े like you can just move with your clothing and utensils and you can enjoy that apartment. And this WordPress is your semi-furnished or not furnished, just the structure of the apartment, and they are everything you have to set up yourself. So what the difference?
Yes, right.
Yeah, but the cost
we can do as we wish, but that is we cannot change anything.
Yeah, in future you can change it. No worries about that. You can always have the option to change it. Okay, just. So now you are quite familiar with the WordPress. So let's invest your next month in setting up your online store using WordPress. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'm retrieving the password. So when you are going through the entire process now, you will understand कि हर जगह वही cycle है. हर जगह वही cycle है. But yes, look and feel, features अलग-अलग हैं, लेकिन cycle वही है सब जगह. Right. So I'm retrieving the password. So now, is my screen visible now?
No. Yes, now visible.
So here you will enter your website. And hello, Ashok sir, are you able to log in from your WP admin now? कल हम लोगों ने देखा था.
Yeah, I can log in from a WP admin.
Nice, nice.
बहुत convenient हो गया.
Right, right. बार-बार Bluehost में जाके वहाँ से start करना.
हाँ,
But anytime
बहुत-
if you just forgetting it, तो Bluehost is always there for you. Why it's not? BHAWANADHARDWAJ1239@gmail.com. Yes. So here, is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and we want to have the online store on our website. And for the online store, again, we have two things. Either we can select a theme which is exclusively for the online store. जैसे हम Shopify यूज करने के बदलाए हम थीम ही ऐसा ले लें जो कि we can go to the appearance and we can go to the theme and we can search for online store and थीम का look and feel ही थीम के सारे फीचर्स जो होंगे वो ऑनलाइन स्टोर के ही होंगे उसी में WooCommerce इंस्टॉल होगा तो we can this is the one option we can simply go and search for
No, we don't take that. We work from the scratch. That's better. If we
Right.
work on 2021 or something.
Right. So one option is that we can go and find the e-commerce or online store for shoes or online store for clothes or online store for bakery. So that way you can go and find the online theme and you can use it. Another option is
So totally the theme will be focused on online, right, ma'am?
right. So theme will give you the option to manage your product or theme will as you install the theme and at the same time theme will install the WooCommerce for you. आपको अलग से WooCommerce you need not
But
install.
then that will clash with our website, no format, etc.
Right. No, I'm talking about when you
Yes.
are in this stage of deciding that
Right.
whether what kind of website you are creating. If it is 100% sure that you are going to create a online store website, so go and select the online store theme related, right? But here we have started our WordPress with online small business or like education or branding or blogging. So here we will start with a plugin.
Plugins,
So
right.
we will go to the install plugin. So we can see the list of the plugin. If you are seeing WooCommerce already there, you need not to install it again. It might be possible कि आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऐसा theme select किया हो जिसमें कि WooCommerce already installed हो.
Okay.
Right. So it might be possible कि you have the WooCommerce theme already installed there. So there you can go and see that whether it's activated or not activated. अगर activated नहीं है तो activate कर लें, update नहीं है तो update कर लें. या फिर you want to start from the scratch, you can just deactivate and delete it and install it again. So right now we don't have a WooCommerce plugin installed, so we have to install it WooCommerce. So here we can go for add new. This add new plugin is only if your WooCommerce is not installed there or it might be any other e-commerce plugin for that matter. हो सकता है WooCommerce के बदले आपके थीम ने कोई और दूसरा plugin e-commerce management के लिए दिया हो. So you can just look for, is there any option to product management or product category management or product payment management? So if you are finding such option in the left side, that means you can go and see that any plugin must be there related to the online store. So you can use the same plugin or you can use the WooCommerce. Right now, I'm going to show you how to create online store using WooCommerce. So here we will click on plugin, add new. And there we will search for WooCommerce. This is the most popular plugin for online store setup. on in WordPress. WooCommerce.
You have to type jointly, ma'am. WooCommerce continuously.
Yes.
Yes, you got it.
WooCommerce. Okay, so it's this is WooCommerce plugin. Okay, no, it's not. Shopping tax.
No,
It's not.
no, it's coming. It's came. Exclusive WooCommerce plugin. It's came.
This one.
Again, you type it, ma'am. No,
Sorry?
that's not.
This is not.
You please type again. Commerce. Type the fill word. Commerce. Double M.
So whenever you are selecting,
Yeah.
yes, whenever we are selecting a theme, we have to again follow the same principle. We will see the last update, and we will see the like untested with the WordPress version. So it should be the compatible with your WordPress version, active install, number of active install, number of rating and reviews. You can go to the details and see all the details. So once you are fine with all this, we can click on install now.
These come free with the what you call WordPress, ma'am?
WooCommerce, like all these plugins and themes are majority of these plugin and themes are freemium version. Means basic version will remain free forever, but their advanced version they will ask for the payment. So in the WooCommerce as well, basic version will be free. For advanced, you have to pay. WooCommerce का paid version लेना पड़ेगा.
And that payment is to be made every year.
It's a majority of the time every year. In the in case of plugin and the theme, majority of their payment method is something like that. You are doing for yearly payment. So जिस year में आप payment करेंगे, उस year में जितने भी features update हो रहे हैं, that will be included in your payment. But if you are not renewing for the next year, so the next update will not available to you. But you are using the features, still you have paid.
Okay.
Right, and especially the extra support, you may pay for the extra support, their customer care or something like that. So they have the entire plan. So we are setting up as we have installed the WooCommerce. Now WooCommerce is trying to set up our online store, right? So here we are starting with the address. So I'm just writing sector 73, Noida, India. Okay, Bihar से मुझे याद आया. Next week I am going to my native place, Bihar. So
Good.
most
We
likely.
will have a session from there. No.
Please,
Just
we
joking.
won't leave you even you go to your native place.
Sorry.
We will follow you, ma'am. We will follow you till you wherever
No,
you go.
you can set up the thing in the open. We can have the backdrop instead of the pink wall. We can have the natural.
I will try, but not sure.
But you do a Facebook chat live from there. We will
Right.
enjoy the environment also.
Right.
Good.
So let's see. I'm not sure because I am not planning anything as of now. I'm going on the total. Like I'm saying, I'm not available for all the commitment. I'm saying no. This week I'm not available.
We are just joking, but this is the ill effect of social media. No, you are
Right.
people expect you 24/7.
Right. So I haven't planned anything, but if something happens, then I'm open for any. I'm always open for the things.
Yes.
Ma'am, how many days plan, ma'am?
It's I'm going on 7th and I will be back by 15th of August.
Okay.
So we are here in the Corona period. We have invested a huge amount there and built a commercial complex, and there is an inauguration of that commercial complex. So
then the live banta hai, fir to live.
So I'm trying, and I'm the one of the major contributor in that.
Good.
It was my idea, like it
Good,
was
good.
like, so no one was 1 year back, last Corona, no one was in agri, and I have done little bit of brainwashing for my siblings,
Good.
and then they have started. Now they are all are very happy, but yes, it was like I have to be there majority because it was my brainchild.
Bhavna Departmental Store in Bihar.
No, it's not like that. It's like it's a simple commercial complex,
Yes,
and
right.
we are planning. I exclusively asked my parents to
Good.
go for the education related
Good.
rental, like
Good.
hall. I want it to be for education,
Yes,
like
right.
educational complex kind of.
Good, good, good. Right.
Means
Bhavna Education Center.
name अभी देखते हैं. लेकिन that entire building I want it to be related to the education.
You can call BEC.
BEC would be great.
BEC. That BEC. And one more thing, I also want to share that we are only 4 sisters. मतलब मैं केवल 4 बहन हूँ. और बिहार में मतलब दिल्ली आने से पहले it was a huge concern for my for my entire family की मतलब क्या होगा, 4 बहन हैं, इनका क्या होगा. And by God grace we all 4 are doing fantastically well.
Good, good.
तो वो बचपन से जो मैंने सुना है ना कि मतलब they're missing, बेटा नहीं है, तो बचपन में मेरे दिमाग में होता था कि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा करना है जिससे कि मतलब बेटे की वजह से नाम रहे ना रहे, कुछ उस काम की वजह से मेरे पेरेंट्स का नाम रह जाए. So I'm planning it कि that building should, I will give it to something my parent name.
Yes, right.
कि जैसे बाकी लोग को है वहाँ बच्चे, तो उनका बच्चा नेक्स्ट जनरेशन पता नहीं उनके बच्चे के बाद उनका नाम रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन बिल्डिंग जब तक रहेगी मेरे पेरेंट्स का नाम तो रहेगा.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, speak in English. I don't know what you're telling.
No,
Your
I'm
sisters
just
will
trying.
be active like you. Your sisters also will be active like you.
No, yeah, my sisters are. Yeah, they see all are busy in their life, but my intention was that I want something in my native place that should keep my parents' name after 10, 50. Like, even they are not there, they should have that idea. Okay, their name is there. This is the major reason people want son, isn't it? Like,
yes.
So.
But nowadays, girls are doing that same thing.
But in our Bihar, it's not that. Abhi to hum log we are very open. Like I'm lucky to have such parents, but they have struggled a lot to give us education and give us good life. They have given to us.
Now they are in Bihar, ma'am. Your parents, father and mother are in Bihar.
Yes, they are 4 from Bihar. They have invested their life in Bihar.
As a parent, one should invest always in education, nothing else.
Right, but in Bihar में मैम ने बचपन से ये सुना है कि बस इसको लेटर लिखना आना चाहिए, so that शादी के बाद ये कोई दिक्कत होते है कि लेटर लिख पाए. इससे ज़्यादा पढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है लड़कियों को.
Hi Bhavna, I can very well relate with you. Even I am 2 sisters and I'm mother of 2 daughters only. So I too want to change this trend in the view of everyone. The daughters now can do anything.
Right.
मतलब जो taboo था सारा, I can very well relate with you.
Right. So next generation
हमें change करना है.
And nothing against about that.
करना है.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Setup करना है ताकि आगे वाली next generation की सोच change हो.
Right. And they are changing a lot.
हाँ.
But as a child, when you are listening, it's not easy to forget those words when your grandparent are saying to your parents, or some other members are saying to your parents that it's not easy to forget those words, isn't it?
I can very well relate it. Even I have heard. So, and I am also from a small town MP. So,
oh, you are from MP. I thought you are
नहीं, I got married in Delhi, and even
Okay.
my husband is also from MP. We are from MP.
That's yeah. MP have the same, I think, similar
Ideology.
Yeah. UP, MP,
Same
Bihar.
feudalism, same taboo thing, same social pressure. So I can relate.
So
Chalo, let's continue.
nice. Thank you. So I'm so much sharing here. So here we are back to our postal code 301. So we are setting our online store using the WooCommerce. As soon as we have installed WooCommerce, WooCommerce is taking some information from us. We can skip this entire setup and we can do like after going to the as soon as you will set up one any plugin, that plugin is going to appear in the left side somewhere. So if you are skipping here, you can see that skip the setup the store detail. You can skip it right now and you can go to the WooCommerce tab, and then there you can set up this entire thing again. And you can, whatever you are writing here right now, you can change it. It's totally up to you. Whenever you want, you can change it.
What is the implication of the last item? I am setting up for a client or self.
So
Last implicate. What is the implication of that?
So whenever you are like, see, all these are information they are taking to qualify that whether they can be, you can be their paid customer or not.
Oh, okay.
So if you are setting up a client, that means it's your business.
They will give you more credit.
Right. So they may give you some affiliate link there. You are you can have or some that purchase model where you can have multiple license, which you can use that license for your client as well. Right.
So far we should not tick that number because we are creating for our own.
Yeah,
Right,
if you
right.
are into business of website
Creation.
making, then you
Right.
should collect this.
Right. So because all these website creation all these agencies who's creating website for you, majority of they have the same theme, multiple license,
Right.
and they have invested in theme once, but they are using the same theme for many of their clients, and they are charging from their client individually. Or they are giving it as a bonus. Okay, I'm giving you this much is the value. You will go and check the cost of that theme. Yeah, really that theme is going to cost you that much. But that agency may give you that as a bonus or some offers or something like that. Right. So here we have given the basic information, and then we will click on continue. Build a better WooCommerce, get improved feature and faster fixes by sharing non-sensitive data. Do you want to share your information with the WooCommerce so that WooCommerce keep improving their product and services? Right. So this is here what I want to share, that in your business as well, in our business as well, we have to continuously work on the improvement. I'm not working on your improvement, but I'm taking as a note all your points, and it will come in coming days. You will be able to see all these things, whatever you are suggesting me, and I feel the need, but right now I'm not finding the time. But I will take 1 week break right now. From tomorrow onwards to the next week, I'm totally on the break, so I will be working on those things. So this is what I'm sharing. Whatever things you are doing, take feedback from your client. Take feedback or from your client and work on that. WooCommerce is also trying to take feedback from us, but right now I'm saying no thanks. Is that fine?
They don't feel offended if you select no thanks?
No.
Okay.
So whenever you are taking feedback, we can give more importance to those feedback who are implementing your ideas, like who is not the new user. Like let's suppose I'm taking feedback from you. That feedback is far more important to me rather than I'm conducting a free session and people are giving them me the feedback. Right. So in that case, even in this case, if someone has bought the product WooCommerce and then they are giving the feedback, they will take it very seriously.
And see over here, they have written other. Okay, when you type other, okay, now now you put a description. Suppose now we are into the field of recruitment and placement. Okay, so now recruitment is there. Okay, job portal. You have a job portal, right? Usme recruitment bhi hai and many other things are there.
So I would suggest in that case of job portal, go and use the job portal exclusive theme.
Acha.
Right. So job portal, Job Monster is there. Some very fantastic job exclusive for this recruitment and placement theme are available, you should try to use that theme.
Which one did you say just now?
Job Monster.
No, Job Monster is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Theme, I'm talking about Job Monster WordPress theme.
WordPress theme, huh?
Right. Yes. I have used it. This is a fantastic one.
Usme, I'll tell you what is the problem. I just I'll take only.
Okay, so we will discuss it.
It is.
Ma'am, yeah.
We'll after this.
Ma'am,
After this.
if I need for fashion, I have to
Yes.
choose fashion.
So
ma'am,
we
first.
now, yeah, we have now this two requirement in our place. One is Shopify and another is Job Portal. So if in one of the session we will look into the Job Portal theme as well. Will it work? Will it work?
Right. We can select food and drink.
Right.
No, but you are working different. You are working on others.
So you can select as per your requirement.
You
can
go
select,
education and learning.
so we can go for education and learning or furniture.
So you are also
or food
interested
and
in education and learning.
right. So for Meenakshi ma'am, it will be fashion apparel. It's something like that according to as we have Astra theme, and within that Astra theme we have so many other.
For Dharmender, it is also education.
Right. So we are going for the education right now. But what I mean to say that this was exclusively from Meenakshi ma'am requirement. So I would suggest I will select fashion and apparel, and I will also select food and drink. Yes. Right. So
We can select one or two. We thought that only one.
You can either
select.
you should be selecting one. Either you should be selecting one and only one.
I think select one. Otherwise, it will
be
conflict.
It will
right.
give you. It will bounce up. It will give you different pages.
Right.
Exactly right.
Ma'am, fashion only, ma'am, that fashion select, then only we can know to add products. That
right. See, whatever selection you are doing, according to that, they are going to suggest you some theme, but you are not compelled to use the theme. Anytime you can go and change the theme, right? So as per this detail, WordPress will or WooCommerce will suggest you some theme, right? So let's suppose, for example, in my future, I'm planning for have an online store where I will share all kind of merchandise, digital challengers or digital success or digital seekers, different kind of cup or t-shirts or books or all kind of merchandise. So in that case, we can select multiple. Here the apparel is also there, or I'm into the yoga and meditation, so I might have sharing some that kind of product as well, or whatever I'm using and finding it useful, I'm planning to share it in my store. It's nothing exclusive. Whatever I'm finding useful, I'm planning to share it. This is also one of the business model when you have a blog or when you have a website. So once you are a little bit recognized brand, you can also set up your merchandise store where you are like, it's all about adding more value. People are interested in knowing that, okay, why your face is glowing, or how you have that energy, or how you start your day, or which book you are reading, or which training you are doing. So in that context, you can also monetize that in curiosity of your audience. Is it making sense? I'm also sharing the business ideas with you. In whatever field you are, you can have the idea of an online store. So right now, what you will suggest, whatever you will suggest, I will go for this. Online education.
Fashion.
Sorry?
Fashion apparel, ma'am. Because we have to know add the product.
Right. Okay, I don't have the product details ready for fashion. This is the only, whatever you are selecting here, according to that, you must have a product and services ready. And in that case, that's why I'm selecting multiple. So you can have a different category, but even in the fashion, you have so many different categories. Even in the food and drink, you can have so many different categories. But when you are setting up your own online store, you should have the clarity that what are the product category you are referring to. So for the demo purpose right now, because Meenakshi ma'am has demanded it since very long, so I'm taking the example of fashion and apparel. But I would suggest all of you will select according to your own requirement. Will it work?
Yes. Okay.
So fashion and apparel, and now you are giving them how people are going to pay you. So you have the physical product. So as we have selected what we have selected?
Apparel.
Fashion and apparel. So by default, physical product is ready. Physical product is selected, but you can have a digital product as well, as in case of membership. As I said, that future is of the community building, and you can have a paid community as well. So subscription model or membership or booking or bundle or customized product or download. So ebooks download or video download or like audio download. So you can have this kind of product as well. So till physical product is free, download is free, but the other part of the WooCommerce is the paid one. For that you have to pay. So right now I'm selecting only physical product and clicking on the continue.
Concept of free and paid, it is optional, or it is I can give any product for free also?
Yes, while you're setting up this free or paid is not about your product. Whatever right now we have seen the free and paid, this is the WooCommerce feature, free and paid.
Okay, right.
WooCommerce saying if you want to sell your physical product, this physical product selling is available in their free version.
Yes. Okay.
If you want to sell digital product where people will download your product, this is also free of cost available in the WooCommerce free version.
Okay.
But if you are asking for the membership or booking or that kind of thing, so the WooCommerce saying okay, for that you have to go for the paid feature.
Okay.
So it's the WooCommerce paid and free. It's not your product paid.
It is their menu, right? Okay.
Right. So you
For
have
hotel, like ma'am, for hotel website, we want booking, so we have to pay for that.
Right. Okay, so business detail, here you can look for the free features and business, how many products do you are planning to display. I would suggest if your product is less than 1,000, use WordPress. If you're planning for an online store where the number of product is more than 1,000, so then use another platform. Even 2,000 till 2,000 product is also perfectly fine with the WordPress. But if you're planning for anything, having an online store, having more than 2,000 product, go for the Magento or Shopify. Magento will be better. For that, dedicated developer is required, right? So right now, I think we are. It's okay to go for. I think 100. You should go for 100 or 1,000.
100 now.
100. So we are going for 100. Currently selling elsewhere.
The speed will be the speed of the website will be depend on this number, or that's
no. This speed will depend on the whatever pages your user is opening. On that, what are the product images you have. Speed depends on so many things.
Okay.
So number of product you are uploading, that will not that much impact your speed. But at any point of time, someone is opening one page. Right. So right now we are going for 10 to 100. And currently, are you selling somewhere? Yes, on other platform. Yes, on the different store powered by WooCommerce. Yes, in person and physical store. Yes, on the another platform. What do you want to select? Is it the physical?
No, ma'am. No, only online.
Okay, you don't have, so you are not selling anywhere. So you can click on continue. Add recommended business features to my website. So what are the features? Level up your email marketing. So as I say, that list building is one of the core part of digital business. So what they are saying, you will, whenever someone will buy, you can collect the email and you can set up your email marketing using MailPoet. This is one of the value-added features WooCommerce is providing you. Drive sales with Google listing and ads. So Google, if you remember that Google Shopping, Google this kind of ads. So what is your is this, are you talking about, are you going to create sari website for sari? Sari for Kanjivaram sari or silk sari. So this kind of ad WooCommerce is talking. So this ad, this is Google Merchant Store ad, and you can integrate this kind of advertisement with Google using this Google listing and ads. Connect customer with MailChimp, again email marketing, email made easy with creative mails, so again email marketing too. So right now I'm using none of these features from the WooCommerce. We will use these features. We will decide our own plugin to manage our email marketing or to manage our Google ads or we manage our Google listing. So we will use our own features to it. So we are not using the WooCommerce recommendation.
What is the difference between the last two? Contact customers with Mailchimp, emails made easy with Creative Mail. What's
All
the
these are
difference?
email, MailPoet, MailChimp, Creative Mail, email marketing tools are there.
Same.
Right, yes. You can use one of them.
Okay.
And they are giving you free of cost.
Okay.
Right. So right now I'm not using, I'm in email marketing tool. Either you can go for MailChimp is also fine or ConvertKit. These days I'm trying for one of the clients. ConvertKit is that is very smooth. So if time allow, also I will introduce you with the ConvertKit. Here we can click on continue. Now they are suggesting you theme. So this is my active theme. I can continue with this one, or see whatever app like you have selected fashion. So they are giving you this according to that. So whatever selection you have done according to that, they may suggest you some theme, but it's totally up to you. You can either you can choose it or you can use your own any particular own theme. So right now I'm going to continue with the Astra because I have current theme for your Astra or 2021. You might have some current theme and there you want to use the WooCommerce. So whatever is your current theme, you can simply continue with that or you can change your theme as well. So right now I'm going to continue with the current theme because we have the current website and that's why we have used plugin. We have not used theme. So our theme, if we wanted to change the theme, we might have selected the exclusive theme itself. So now can you see this, this WooCommerce home, orders, creative mail, customers, coupons, reports, settings, status, extensions, all these are the WooCommerce things available. You can manage your products, product analytics, product marketing, all these are the WooCommerce features.
That way, WooCommerce is a sort of a website within the website.
Right. Either WooCommerce have the theme as well. So you can go to the appearance and go to the theme and you can install WooCommerce theme as well.
Oh, right.
So,
thank you.
But right now we are using WooCommerce as a part of the website, as a not the main theme.
Yes, right.
Right. So welcome to WooCommerce store online, here where we will find setup suggestions, tips, tools, key data for your store performance and earning and all the basic store management and growth. Personalize inbox full advice, good data leads. Let's go. So here now we have to set up add my product, set up the payment, add the taxes, set up the shipping and personalize my store. So these steps we have to minimum this step we have to follow. Either you can simply follow this step or you can just go to the product and start adding the product, start create the, as we have the blog. You remember the blog? So we can create the category, we can create the tags, we can create the attributes, we can add a new blog. In the same way, we can do the entire product management from here. We can do entire product management from here for our online store. So this entire product management is for our online store. Marketing is entire that how you are bundling the product or you are giving the coupon code or you have generated a coupon code and which you want to distribute on the social media and people will use that coupon code to get your free version or something. So the entire marketing you can manage from the marketing. WooCommerce analytics. This analytics is only and only about the WooCommerce analytics because your main analytics we have installed SiteKit for Google and we have installed Google Analytics there. Google Analytics is giving you the insight of entire website, but this analytics is giving you insight for WooCommerce online store section only. Whatever product, whatever store you have set up, what is the insight for that store? Which one is the most popular one? How much revenue you have generated? What is the order value? Or do you have any like which variation of the product people are buying more? Which category is more popular? So all the analytics is related to your WooCommerce setup, right? And this is your main WooCommerce setting. So WooCommerce product analytics and marketing. All these 4 features are of the WooCommerce. So here we can either you can follow this step or you can simply manage your product from here, marketing from here, analytics from here, email marketing from here. So you can also manage from this tab. You can also manage from this tab. So right now I'm going to, because it will be easier for you to manage from here. So we are going for this steps. Start with a template. It means WooCommerce will give you the template, or you can manually, or if you have already list of the product, you can import it from the CSV file, or if you have already listed your product from somewhere else, like some Shopify or Magento, or you must have, if you have some product details listed there, you can also use that one. So I think right now we are going to add manually. Or do you want to follow the templates? So for small store, sorry.
If we could do it manually better, because there we got a better control.
Right.
So you just get to know it better.
Right. So what I'm going to show, because in templates you will see all the options.
Yes.
In manually you have to pick and choose. You are like right now you are doing it for the first time.
Yes.
So you might not be knowing what you don't know. आप मतलब ऑनलाइन स्टोर में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं, शायद हमको अभी पूरा पता ना हो जब आप पहली बार सेटअप कर रहे हो.
Right.
So in manually you may miss something. So right now what I will set up using one template, and then we will do it manually as well.
Okay.
So in manually, template, what you are not going to miss anything. At least you will have an idea when you are setting up the e-commerce platform, e-commerce store, or you adding a physical product. What are the attributes you must be knowing before setting up your online store?
Okay.
Means ये template से आपको इतना पता चल जाएगा कि when you are getting started with your online store, you must have at least these things related to your product ready before getting started with it, right? So right now we are going for the physical product. Let's go for it. Means product का नाम, product का descriptions, product के cost, product में कोई discount देना है, product का सारे images, product के videos हैं. So these are the product attributes. So product में variations है. All these things should be ready before getting started with the online store, right? So here we are, like we can give the product name here. This is the product name. So here you are going to give the product name. Here you are going to give the product description, and this is the all-in-one features. This is the product. This is the e-commerce part, right? So product you will now it's coming in dollar. It should be coming in. Can you see that? As soon as we have moved there, we have moved to this section. Product section, product, all product, add, category tag, and here we are managing the if it is coming in dollar. So we have to go and manage the settings. Here, can you see the settings? WooCommerce setting. So the payment setting or all these things should be, you have to do the setting from here. Basic setting of your online store should be done initially from the setting, and then all the settings will be applicable here. So what we will do a little bit of setting there, and then we will add the product. But these are the attributes of the product. So you have to give the regular price, you have to give the sales price. So you have, if you are managing it inventory online as well. So inventory management, you have to give the unique identity. SKU is a uniquely identified, like it's a bottle. So same bottle, 5 different bottles. Everything is same, but there are 5 pieces you have. So how you are going to say that, okay, these are the 5 things. So you can manage that unique. You can manage your stock. Like whenever its sale is happening on online, do you want to update your stock? So do you want to manage your stock on the website itself? So you have to manage inventory. You can manage your shipping. So if the product is of this weight, again shipping setting will happen from this section. Shipping setting will happen from this section. But you can, the product right now we are listing, you can just write that product specification. What is the weight of the product? What is the dimension of the product? What is the shipping class? If what are the different shipping class that you will set up from WooCommerce? You will set up from the WooCommerce setting. So you can link the product. When someone is watching this one product, they can see that, okay, they have next, whoever is buying this product, they are also buying this product. Or you can do the upsell or cross sell. Upsell means the next version of the product. Cross sell means different product. So you can link those products. Whenever someone is on this product page, right now we are talking about one product page. So they are actually their focus is on this product page, but at the end of the product page, they can see the upsell product and cross-sell product as well. Here, this is the attributes of the product.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the link products upsell? Can you please, yeah.
Link
Links
product
product.
means you can go and click on add new, add new, add new. You have added 100 products.
Yes, yes.
Right? So whenever someone is focusing on one product, if you remember, we have also talked about time retaining users on your website.
Yes,
So
yes.
if you are giving one product details and then again user have to go to the category and again user have to go to the previous pages or menu options. So you want to give them the more option as you are recommending other products as well. When the focus is product 1, you are also recommending product 2 and product 3.
Yeah, for saree matching handbag like that.
Right. So you must have that product listed first, then you can do the upsell and cross sell.
Okay. Upsell and cross sell, can you please explain again?
Upsell means, for example, you have like right now in Apple. In Apple, what is the entry level product? You are buying iPhone, let's suppose, right?
Yes,
So as soon as you are buying iPhone, so now the iPhone versions available or upsell, like Apple can recommend you for MacBook or MacBook Air or Apple can upsell like next level of product they can recommend you. And cross sell means you have the same product but the varieties are also available in the same in the same price range. You are recommending more product.
Okay.
So like in case of sari, the jewelry or the matching handbag, it will be the cross sell.
Okay, understood.
Right. But in the case of sari, right now someone is exploring this red silk sari, and there you are upselling them a red Kanchivaram silk sari. Right now the product cost is 5,000 rupees, and the upsell product is the cost is 8,000 rupees.
Okay, understood.
So upsell is on the sari itself. You are upselling the sari, next version of sari. The cross sell is a different product.
Yeah, understood.
Right. So it's you can understand the user's mindset. When user is coming, they are looking for the varieties what they were looking for. So that is the upsell. But at the same time, the back of the mind, you know that this is not the single product. Some other complementing product you have in your store.
Yes.
So those complementing product will you can add as a cross sell.
Okay.
Right. So for that, your product must be listed. For that, you have to go to the add new or add all those products. You can have attributes. You don't know. Right now we are adding sari, so we can have sari have a different attributes. If I'm selling, let's suppose books, the books have different attributes. So if I'm selling bed sheet, the bed sheet have different attributes. So there you can add the attributes. You can add the attributes. It's a color. Color is one of the attribute, or size is one of like Horlicks bottle. So 500 gram or 1 kg. So these are the like size is one. Size can be the one attributes, or so you have to decide that which attributes you want. So for example, there is one attribute color. So in color you are adding up color. Mein what varieties you have? You may have a red color. Okay, so red, green, right? So that way you will have the, right now we are talking about this color attributes. So that way you can add more attributes. Right now I'm not adding anything.
Okay.
But so now you know the
attributes is giving details of a product in color ways, pattern ways.
You should have that. That's why before setting up the that's why we have used the template. In template, you know that when you are uploading the product, you should think about attributes of the product.
Okay.
So right now I'm giving you the introduction, but getting the hands-on of it or getting the experience of it or digesting it completely will take some time.
Okay, understood.
Right. So we can go for the advanced like purchase note or menu order. We can give more options. So all these features about one product. whatever you are writing here, this is related to the one product.
Okay.
Right.
So for
here,
each product, we have to fill all the details.
right.
Every product.
Right. So this is the way you are adding the product, but before adding the product, you must have the category as well, because we are like in whatever industry you are, your product have the category as well. So here you can manage the category, product category. So whenever you are adding the product, you have to also, can you see that product? Okay, just let's suppose right now you are adding the category. You can add. Do you remember, how many of you remember the adding the category? For example, clothing is one the category, and this hoodies is sub category of the clothing. So in the right now, clothing is the like clothing you have added as a category, as if you have clothing and fashion, two different categories. So then you are adding clothing and fashion. But right now, if your product is only sari, so in that case, silk sari or cotton sari or kanjivaram sari can be your category. So what product category you are managing, that you manage from the category. Whenever you are adding the product, you have to also decide in which category the product will go.
Okay.
Right. So can you see that here? Whenever you are adding the product name, product description, and here product category. You can also decide the product category. You can add product tag. So do you want to, this is the Astra theme options. So do you want to show them as a sidebar? In the sidebar, you want to show them some related product. So you can create an exclusive sidebar for all the product pages. This is a part of the, this is not part of the e-commerce, this is part of the Astra. So you have all these features, product featured images. You can add a product featured image, product gallery. So you have, or like, I think yesterday you have shown me some website, and there you are talking about the
that box option, color option.
Right. So you are talking about something about this website.
No, houseofindia.com.
Okay. So if you are talking about all the images which is coming in that product, there you have to add all the images, gallery, product images. Okay. So when, you are setting a one featured images, and the product images, you are adding many images of the same product. So ideally one product may have 10 images from left, right, top, bottom, because in e-commerce, the most important thing that they are not touching your product. They should have the closest experience when they are buying it online.
So minimum we have to upload the 7 images, ma'am.
Right. So if you're talking about these boxes, so this is the presentation, but these are the product, same product. How much images? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images.
Okay.
So they have created image gallery.
Okay. I am asking that the 3 colors option they gave, pink, red, black, in the right side, ma'am. Color.
So what is this? Now what is this?
Yeah, that only I'm asking. If I click the pink, all comes pink. So we have to take different photos like that, or we can in the tool. Yeah.
Whenever you are adding a product, you have the option of attributes, and here you are selecting the attributes of color, and within that color you are adding red, blue, green, and for each color you are adding respective images.
Okay. Okay. It's not a tool. We have to add individually.
Right. Yes, you have to add the images. It's not only the tool. Like presentation wise, you are using this tool. Okay. How you are going to present those images? Yes, we are going to use the tool. But even in that tool, you have to upload the images.
Okay.
Yes or no?
I thought that if I click that, it is automatically changed. I thought that.
No.
Okay.
And it's a different.
I understood. We have to take
product photography is there.
Okay.
Right.
Understood.
Can you see that? Is it the same images? I'm not sure if it. No. It's
no. It's different images. Different. Yes.
So this is a product photography from model.
Okay.
You have the product photography has happened, and the model has done the photography.
Okay, I understand. How this box will come automatically is 3 choices. That color, pink, red, black will come automatically. Or you have
to, when you are selecting these attributes, here, right? And when you are selecting the attributes and you are adding the image gallery here, so according to that product design, it will in the product page it will appear. So you have to add one product details. You have to add one product detail, complete details, and there you will be able to see. Right now I don't have a lot of images ready, but what I would suggest, complete one product edition. Like whatever details you are, just make a note of that when you are adding a product, what information you are adding. So you are adding the product name, you are adding the product descriptions, you are adding the general informations, inventories, or attributes, or so just make a note of that, what you are adding. Here you can add a media, product short description, add media. So we are whenever we are adding media, so all those product photography you have to add there.
Okay.
And then when it get displayed, and there you will choose, okay, it's not displaying as per your requirement, then we will edit it as per, I will show you how we can edit that page. Right? So you right now you have this basic feature of editing, the details are available, but we can customize it, like we have the Elementor, or we can customize this design as per the requirement. So
ma'am, one question. For one product, if I add 3 color option, the 3 boxes will automatically come if I add all the things in the attributes.
If you are adding 3 colors, so these 3 options will appear. So these are here the attribute is what? Color is the one attribute, size is the another attribute.
Yes, yeah.
So in the color you are adding pink, red, and black.
Yes.
Or in the size you are adding these. Okay. So when you will have this attribute, this will appear on the product page.
Okay, understood.
If you will not add the attributes, this attribute will not appear on the product page.
Okay. If out of these 3 pink is sold, means automatically it will be not shown, or we have to manually delete
now
it?
Corresponding to each color you have to upload the photograph.
Okay.
Corresponding to each size you might have to upload the photograph. If not, if the size wise they are not uploading the photograph, it's perfectly fine. So whatever in e-commerce, we have to give the users the most closest experience when they are buying physically.
Yes.
So these pictures and videos are the most important aspect.
Yeah, correct.
So it always makes sense when we have a different color, user can see the product in that color.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will see so many websites where they have given the different color, but when they are clicking, they have the same picture.
Yeah, correct.
Right. So there the more details you will provide, the better presentation you will have on that. So here, this is the places where you will be managing all your products, category, and
one question, ma'am. Out of 3 colors, if pink is sold, if suppose pink is sold, so we have to go and manually delete. It will be automatically closed, or we have to close it?
So if you are managing online, so here you have to go to the e-commerce. Once the product part is clear, how you can add the product one by one?
Yes.
So before setting up this, before adding the product, you can go and see the setting option. This is the setting option. Right. So in that setting option, you have the product setting, shipping setting, payment setting, account and privacy setting, email setting, integration setting. So you have all these setting options which you have to set up. So for example, this is the product setting. So in the product page, whatever product setting you are saying, this is a default setting you are giving here. So this is the general inventory and downloadable product. So if you are managing the inventory, then only the this will get reduced.
Okay.
If you are managing the inventory, like you are enable the stock management. If you are disabling it, nothing will. Even people will buy the product, they will see that okay, the product is in stock.
Okay.
But if you are doing the stock management from website, so whenever someone is buying, this number will automatically reduce.
Reduced, yeah. So if 60 people buy, it will be okay.
Right. So if you are managing the stock from there, so then only it will reduce the number in the website. If you are not managing, it will not happen.
So we have to be very active in the inventory also. Once we upload.
It's a full-time shop. Yes, imagine you are sitting in the shop. It's like sitting in the setting. At least first 3 months, you have to be going to your online shop every single day.
Yes, understood.
And every single day you have to see that what product is there, whether it's in the inventory is managed well or not, or color is displaying right or not, or whether it's in the stock or not, or the combination combo offer is correct or not, or like in first 3 months, you have to every single day you have to organize your shop.
Okay, I understood.
Once you understand that, okay, these tasks you are doing repeatedly. Every single day you are going and checking the stock and managing the price, and so you can just make a list of all the repetitive tasks and then ask anyone, okay, this is the repetitive task, I want you to do this way.
Okay,
Right? So in the WooCommerce you have to manage so many setting, shipping setting, right? You can manage ad shipping, you have to manage the shipping options, shipping classes. So all this, once see this is shipping setting, and within that shipping setting, you have the shipping zone, shipping options, shipping classes, shipping zone, which area you are going to shop. So shipping options, whether it's like you can go and see that what are the shipping options available. And corresponding, you have to decide the price. There the setting you are doing. This is the setting you are doing. And according to this setting, the user will see the cost. If you are setting 3 classes of the shipping, so
Okay.
it's, you are saying shipping class, like shipping class is fast, like silver, gold, or platinum, or fast, 1 day shipping, 2 day shipping, or 3 day shipping. So in the class 1 day shipping, you will write a description. 2 day shipping, you can add shipping class, you can add shipping class, you can add. So when you have added 3 shipping class, so then these 3 shipping class will appear when you are adding the product. So for your user will see 3 shipping classes. So first we have to manage the setting, and whatever setting you are managing here, that option will be available while you are adding the product.
Okay.
I'm just repeating it. We will do the settings, whatever option we will do in the setting, those options we will have to choose. We will find while we are adding the product.
Okay.
When we are adding the product in that shipping setting, you will see only those shipping classes which you have added here. If you have not added the shipping class, that will not appear there.
Okay. So everything we have to do in the setting part.
Right. And while adding the product there, you have to decide on that particular product whether you want to give them 1 day shipping, or 2 day shipping, or 3 day shipping, or all the 3 shipping.
Okay.
So whatever you will select for that product, that will appear on your website.
Yes.
For that
Understood.
particular
Yes.
product.
Yes. Okay.
So the first step is to assimilate all the informations we have discussed today. So you can go for the WooCommerce and use the WooCommerce as with your existing theme. We're not going to install any other theme, existing theme. And when you are installing with the existing theme, you will see these options: WooCommerce, product, analytics, and marketing. Go and explore this setting option, especially in the setting option.
Okay.
I would suggest to go for all, but initially I will suggest you to go and explore this setting option.
Settings.
First, setting options, and second, add the product and few categories.
Okay.
Add product and categories.
Okay.
And apart from that, give yourself like 1 day or 2 day time. Just right now, whatever, till you will not publish it, it's not going to appear on your website.
Okay.
So give yourself 1 day or 2 day time. Go and keep adding product, keep adding category, keep adding tag, keep adding some payment method, or some color attributes or shipping methods, and just whatever vision you want, make a note of it, and then try to add it in your online store.
One question. Sometimes we published and the result is visible immediately. And sometimes we make change published and it is not visible immediately. For example, when other day I had added Facebook, it was visibly immediately on published. But when I did Instagram, it was done next day. Any reason for that, or just?
No. It should be published if it is appearing for Facebook. If it's the same thing. So sometimes it happened like when you are adding things in your menu. Right? Let's suppose you are adding things in the page.
Right.
And in your mind, you are expecting this in the menu.
Okay.
And you will see the, oh my God, I have added the page, is not appearing on the website.
Okay. Okay.
Because you have not added that in your menu.
Hmm.
That can be the one reason. You are adding an exclusive page on your website.
Okay.
And you are visiting your main page.
Okay.
And you are surprised, okay, where that page has gone, that whatever right now I have created.
All right. Could
Right.
be something.
This kind of things initially it may happen,
Okay.
but in general, what you can follow when you are adding, just see that where you are adding it. If we are adding in the footer, let's suppose for example, Facebook or Instagram, you have added, it was not appearing. So you have an idea that we have added in the footer. So go and exclusively refresh the page and check the footer. So
Okay.
it should be appearing immediately. If it is not appearing, it might be again one or two reasons, because your cache or your history or your cookies is still picking up the previous version of your website.
It could be that one.
Right. So in that case, what you can open the same page in incognito.
Okay.
Incognito, they don't store the previous version.
Oh, I see. Right.
Or you can like you can have two devices, like you are doing all the things on your desktop, but you can, to check, you can use your mobile.
Right.
And refresh the page on the mobile.
All right.
Right.
Thank
so
you.
that may be the reason.
हाय भावना,
Yes.
जैसे आपने लास्ट टाइम unsplash.com बताया था एक बार ना, फ्री इमेजेस डाउनलोड करने के लिए, उसी तरीके से कोई और ऑप्शन है? क्योंकि मुझे फाइनेंस, वेल्थ या इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड ना तो एक्स्ट्रा में थीम मिल रही है सर्च करने पे, वो नहीं है उनके पास में, और तो मुझे कुछ रिलेटेड ही देखना होगा। तो कोई वेबसाइट, मतलब जिस तरह से आपने unsplash बताया, इस तरह से कुछ और है क्या जहाँ से फ्री इमेजेस डाउनलोड हो जाए?
Yes, you can use Pixabay. You can use Pixabay.
Can you please spell it? क्या है?
Yeah, it's Pixabay, or you can just simply Google it. Free finance images download. You will find so many options. Image Bazaar is also there. Pixabay free images.
Pixabay. Okay.
This is also huge collection of. Even in the, if you are going for the pro, you can go and check Canva and check for the finance category and see that if images are as per your need, you can go for the pro version.
बेसिक में तो बहुत कम इमेजेस आई हैं, उसमें सिर्फ 3 इमेजेस आए थे।
नहीं, I mean to say that even the
प्रो में है,
प्रो में I mean to see that कि if you feel that कि प्रो में है तो go for the pro version. पहले आप देख लो, कि आपके काम की चीज है या नहीं है, या वैसे भी वो 30 days 15 days का फ्री ट्रायल देते हैं. All these online platform may give majority of these platform will giving you 30 days or Canva तो देता है 30 days free trial. तो आप लाइक Canva को एग्जॉस्ट करने के 30 days का फ्री ट्रायल ले लो, जिससे मैं whenever you are trying for the free trial, आप ट्रायल लो और उसी टाइम में उसको कैंसिल कर दो. ट्रायल लिया और ट्रायल
तो मेरे पास प्रो भी है Canva का, बिकॉज़ हस्बैंड ने ले लिया होगा. तो है, I have that option of pro also. I
so
can
whenever you are this is the one thing I would like to share with all of you. Right now we are exploring the new tool and you are finding something and you are not sure whether you should be continuing or not. So majority of all this platform, when you are cancelling it, even the free that trial version will be available to you till the next billing cycle. जैसे आप LinkedIn पे गए और LinkedIn को मैंने फ्री ट्रायल लिया और फ्री ट्रायल लेने के बाद I have cancelled it, लेकिन but that 1 month free trial all the premium feature will be available to you. So that way you will not have the mistake of that you are not aware and your card gets charged. So that kind of issue will not happen.
One more thing is there, Elementor में जो हमारे पास बेसिक जो अवेलेबल है एलिमेंट्स, उसके अलावा नीचे प्रो में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स अवेलेबल हैं. तो वो क्या पर एलिमेंट चार्ज करते हैं या पूरा प्रो को चार्ज करते हैं?
एलिमेंटोर जैसे Canva का प्रो, एलिमेंटोर का प्रो, एलिमेंटोर का प्रो
चार्ज करेंगे फिर.
एंड फॉर दैट आई वुड सजेस्ट एलिमेंटोर के अंदर जो पैटर्न है, देयर यू कैन गो एंड फाइंड सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच इज अवेलेबल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट.
मैंने टाइप किया था पैटर्न सर्च में, लेकिन पैटर्न से कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था.
पैटर्न
As an alternative, you simply search the type of picture you are looking and look that type the name and free pictures or free visuals. You will find many and you can select anything.
हाँ, जैसे कि अनस्प्लैश में मैंने देखा था, मुझे कुछ अच्छे इमेजेस दिखे थे
Don't
उसमें.
go to any particular page. Go to the Google, type the image you want, and you say, suppose you want currency images free.
Right.
बट
ये
उसमें
free
फ्री
image.
नहीं आ रहा है सर. वो पता है क्या हो रहा है कि आप जब जाते हैं ना उसमें, तो वो फ्री सिलेक्शन नहीं आता उसमें.
Okay.
कुछ
थोड़ा
images में
सर्च करना
सिलेक्टेड
पड़ेगा, मिल
रहता है.
जाएगा.
हाँ, बहुत
All these
सिलेक्टेड ही
are the
रहता है
digital.
एकदम.
They are the one of the basic skills. If next session, initially introduction, I will share about the basic skills you require to be a successful digital business owner. Today we have discussed about these things. The 5 skills I will discuss, and then the one of the skill is this graphics part.
Once I was making one presentation on finance, so somebody wanted a currency image, and chairman said कि no, minister को दिखाना है तो Indian currency होनी चाहिए. तो हमने क्या करा, सिंपली 2-4 इंडियन कॉइन टेबल पर रख के और 2 करेंसी रख के उसकी पिक्चर खींच के लगा दी. Now everybody was telling ये पिक्चर कहाँ से आई है भारत में. So like that, sometimes you have to be your own imagination and do it.
Right, and you can always try the product photography at your end, and that images will work much better than those stock images. Right. So whenever you are adding your own face, or you are adding some, like you are adding like real life images, so that sometimes it works better if your client photographs, or you can invest in the professional photography as well, professional photo shoot. If you're thinking, especially for Sneha, because your website is Sneha Wealth Creator. Right. So here Sneha is the brand name. So there you can think of investing in the professional photo shoot with your client, with your, like, whatever wealth creation is this what you are standing for? So photographs should reflect that wealth creation. Sneha Wealth Creation should reflect that. Photograph should reflect that theme, that aspect. Okay, so anyways, got the little bit of idea about the WooCommerce.
Ma'am, only one question. In online store, we can see, if I check one product, the feature images of the category will appear at the down. This looks same like the what I'm searching for, feature images. For that, where we have to choose the option.
So product feature images means right now, whenever you are adding the product, you are adding 10 images. Which one image you want to be the main, like someone is sharing that product page. So the product featured images will be appear there.
Yes,
so
yes.
Whenever you are adding a product, here can you see that attributes? Right now the color is added. You
Yes,
can add
yes.
a size.
Okay.
So you can add different attributes here. Name by the.
Okay. So everything we have to add an attribute.
Right. So that is a one-time job. Let's suppose you have added a color and size. So you need not to add it repeatedly. But when you have added in the color red, green, blue, yellow, that is also the one-time addition.
Okay.
Next time you will add in the product, you have to just select it, whether the product is available in the red color or not.
Oh,
Whether the product is available in the small size or not.
understood.
So this attributes you have to add one time, and the value of the attributes also you have to add one time. Next time onwards, you are selecting that product is available in these attributes and what is the value of that attributes.
Okay.
Right. And product images, product featured images. If product featured images is exclusively, let's suppose someone is sharing your product URL, product page URL. Right. So what one image should appear as that? Like whenever you are sharing a URL, Facebook or so many platforms, pick one images from your page. Which one image you want that they should be picking up rather than picking up any random images. So that is the product featured images. So you are adding new product. So here you are adding the product. You are adding the product featured images. Here you are setting up the gallery like 10 of images, but this is the one image. Here you are selecting Whenever someone will share the product image, that image will appear as that one image will appear as the product image, right?
Okay.
So are you going to explore yourself,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, enough now, enough to explore. We will explore.
Yeah, enough to explore. And so this week you are going to explore yourself, and I will keep adding. This week most I'm going to keep my promise.
Your
That,
videos are still pending, ma'am.
sorry.
Your videos are still pending.
Yes, that's why I'm saying ki
About 4 or 5 videos are pending now.
videos are pending, and apart from those videos, I wanted to share one video every day where you can just I want to challenge you to have that feature on your website. Make sure that that feature is available on your website. So that that challenge I'm going to start. I will add all the class video. I will share it today, because today, tomorrow, my week off. This coming week, apart from those classes videos is there, but this 1 5-minute or 10 minutes video where you can go to your website and see that whether that feature is active or not, or whether you have implemented that feature perfectly or not. So that way, at least I want to give next 30 days kind of challenge, that every single day you have to work on one aspect of your website. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir. We'll put it on our company website. Good.
So, we're waiting for that.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
now that the class is over, I have this query to you. Like I was telling you in the beginning, we are facing one problem with one of our sites. That's this job portal sites. Okay. We have got the whole site ready. It was running, and all of a sudden things went bad in the repository. Job repository होती है ना? कि कौन से jobs available हैं, कहाँ पे available है, where is it available, what category available, and what is the talent available, competence.
Right.
वो जो job repository बंदी, that particular thing went bad. Now we again have to get a custom plugin made. Is there no plugin available for job repository?
Like what I'm understanding, you are saying you have full-fledged up and running job portal website,
Anji.
right? And there you have hundreds of job repository was there already.
Well, now that thing is gone. Now we have
Now
to
it's
again create a
now
new.
it's gone, and how it's gone? Like you have added one.
हो जाता है, ma'am. You know, in the professional area, so many things can go wrong. You know it better than me.
So now, if they like, for example, in this product, right now, I have given you that this much of idea, but I'm 100% sure when you are, you have to sit and like very patiently, you have to add the product.
But
Right. So in the same way, in the job section, I have worked on the job monsters. So you have to very patiently, repeatedly, you have to add those jobs. Right.
Jobs, okay, that will be added. Uska to CSV file hai. That is separate. What I am saying now, the plugin or the plugin that is required to create the job repository is not there.
No.
Job repository में जहाँ पे वो backend पे रहता है ना, वो नहीं है.
No, you are asking that how to create a database where.
Yes, actually that is repository that जहाँ पे like.
You can create a database, and the platform or the website will pick this data from that repository. Are you talking about?
ऐसे करूँगा ma'am. What I'll do, I'll send a separate WhatsApp message to you.
And especially just record that like visuals as well. Like आप website को खोल करके, so that कि what job repository you are talking about, what is currently and what is in your CSV file, what you want on your website. So एक और simple सा video भी आप record करके share कर सकते हैं. That will give the clear idea.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Right, ma'am.
So can we conclude for the day?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Nice.
Ma'am, if possible, please share your Google Ads video, any video, ma'am, please share.
Do you want Google Ads?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. To choose how to use the key, long keyword, short keyword.
Okay, Google Ads, entire Google ad course you are talking about, like Google Ad step-by-step process.
No, your video, your recorded video.
Okay. I will share. Just write down. Also, give me that word in the chat window. Google Ads. You are looking for Google Ad course. Google Ad recorded course. Right. Okay. So next session will happen on next Friday, because Saturday I'm leaving, so I want to have small session, an hour session of not in this chat window, WhatsApp chat window.
Okay.
Okay. So next Friday we will meet for 1 hour, and during this week I will today I will share all the backlog of the video of the class session, and I will prepare you little actual challenge. We will start when I will be back from Bihar, so after 15th of August. But before that, to just warm you up, I will try to share one small videos where you are taking action on your website as per the video. Right? So the 3 things I'm just writing for my reminder as well. All session recording and this daily challenge kind of thing, where you can work on that aspect of these 2 things. And then we will be next session is on Friday. Next session is on coming Friday. So fair enough.
Time, ma'am, Friday 11 or 12:30?
It will be because my night shifts are going on. So I tried my level best for 11 o'clock. So it's not working. So we will have a 12:30.
Okay.
12:30. 12:30 noon. Right?
Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Okay.
All right,
Nice.
thank you.
Okay. Bye.
नहीं तो
Take care.
आप एक काम करना ना मैम, just
I
like
do
but
one-
you are talking about this monster.com ना.
Mm-hmm.
So monster.com में they must have used a particular plugin for their job repository.
So no, you can go and explore that. Again, this entire job monster, as we have introduction to, I've just given you the introduce you with the WooCommerce in the same way. It requires an hour time to even give you the introduction of the job monster.
ठीक.
Right. So, but you can find job monster videos on YouTube very easily because very popular plugin is there. Even WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce, whenever you are stuck, you can also find it in the YouTube. WooCommerce exclusively when you are writing the WooCommerce video or WooCommerce tutorial or job monster tutorial, job monster WordPress tutorial. So there you will find a very elaborated tutorial as well.
Ma'am, WooCommerce tutorial, we can go to the WooCommerce site and we can have the tutorial, ma'am, for
Right.
how
There
to.
you can also, yeah, there you can also go.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Great.
Okay. Nice. Bye.
Okay, madam.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.